Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You have the model open and the tree visible. Now place the reference. First, enable axis systems so you can see and create axes. Then select the face, edge, or plane that logically defines orientation because the reference determines later constraints. Once selected, choose Insert Axis System or use the toolbar icon. Catia previews the axis. Make sure to position the origin near the geometry. You'll manipulate so subsequent rotations and constraints behave predictably and align with design intent. With the axis system dialog open, set the origin coordinates or pick a vertex to fix the base location. Next, assign direction references for X and Y by picking edges or planes. The Z-axis auto-computes. You can flip axes with the orientation buttons to correct sign if needed. Once done, preview and accept. Catia creates a named axis system in the tree. Make sure to check Keep Reference when you expect the geometry to change, so the axis follows updates automatically. Now use the new axis for sketches, rotations, or constraint placement by selecting it from the specification tree. If parts rotate the wrong way, open Axis Properties and flip the appropriate direction. This corrects sign or orientation errors. If the axis seems to vanish or the preview is wrong, reveal hidden objects and ensure the Axis System's toolbar is enabled. Sometimes references break after geometry edits. Finally, save your work and, if necessary, reassign references to robust geometry to prevent future breakage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.